What's up, everybody? David with you from faithfullybearded.com. A couple weeks ago, I told you guys I was going to do a best butter for my gray beard video, and here we are. I know there's all kinds of best of 2020, best of the quarter, best of the last 22 and a half days, but I wanted to do just a top 3. Keep it real simple, real to the point, and get you guys some good products that work well in my beard, and I hope yours too. So let's get it. If it's your first time into the channel, welcome. Whether it's No Shave November, Movember, you just happen to stumble upon Faithfully Bearded, welcome in. I'm glad you guys stopped by. I hope you find something you like. If you love the video, hit the thumbs up. If you hate it, hit the thumbs down. And as always, leave a comment. Let me know you're here. So these are in no particular order at all. It was hard enough to get down to 3 butters, let alone trying to rank them first, second, and third. That's insane. So first up on the list, Ruddy Man. Now this just happens to be the Ruddy Claws scent. I really wanted to make this video focused more on functionality than scent. I could tell you that I love the smell of Christmas cookies and a corncob pipe and some other surprises, which I do. But if we were debating top 3 scents, I have a feeling it would take me a whole nother month to get a video out. But Ruddy Man just has that all around good feeling. His butter comes out well. His butter breaks down well, feels great in beard. I am so impressed with how Jimmy whipped this butter up, and that's really why it's on here, right? Next, Damn Yankee. Now, some of you guys might know how big of a fan of Damn Yankee I am. All his other products, absolutely amazing, but focusing in on just the butter, I don't know whether it's the broccoli seed, I don't know if it's where he sources his stuff from, but Damn Yankee feels so good in my beard. I actually debated only wearing Damn Yankee from now on, but I figured that would probably ruin the point of me being a reviewer. This scent is Cavendish, just a straight old school pipe tobacco. Smells great. I love it. Again, scent is totally subjective. And he actually makes an unscented called Silent But Deadly. This last one is one that's probably going to shock some people because I don't know how many of you guys know about this yet. This is Oak Cliff Beard Kingdom. The scent is Dark Mane. That just happens to be the one I got. And I am ultimately impressed with what Jesus has done out there in Texas. I tested some stuff for Jesus. I guess it would have been, right before the whole lockdown thing happened. And he had said he was going to reformulate and he took his time on it. And this butter that came out of it is epic. Jesus hasn't been around all that long, but to nail a butter down like he did, it's crazy impressive. And I'm talking like soft, smells good, like it hits everything. Conditions really well, just all around great product. So Ruddy Man, if you don't know, has a website, ruddymangrooming.com. I would highly recommend getting over there and checking some stuff out. He's actually got some really cool art stuff that his wife does, who designs all the amazing logos for Ruddy Man. Sorry, I had to take another look because it's really cool. But why not put some of those up on your wall? Whatever fits your fancy. But I definitely cannot recommend enough trying out one of Jimmy's butters. Damn Yankee, I'm pretty sure is damyankeebeardco.com. I've only been there once or twice, so I don't really know. But as far as Pete goes, Pete's scents are super dark and super deep, and that's one of the reasons I love him so much. A lot of different variations of tobacco, and I'm just such a huge tobacco fan. I'm a huge fan of his PSL, which, if you don't know, is a pumpkin spice latte. Don't judge me. But honestly, everything he's got going on is great. Get yourself a butter. Like I said, with him having an unscented butter, it gives you a chance to maybe fill in a gap. Maybe you have an oil and you don't have the butter and you're looking for a really great butter to use. Go get Silent But Deadly and put it in your arsenal. You will not regret it. I guarantee that. And the new kid on the block with his heavy hitter butter, oakcliffbeardkingdom.com. Now, Jesus and his family that put in their hard work to make this, man, you guys nailed it. And I appreciate the hard work you've done. And so does my beard. Keep up the good work. I think you're going to go far. All three of these just happen to be poured butters. Whipped butter, poured butter, all the stuff that goes into splitting that hair is just not something I wanted to do. There are some good whipped butters out there. I just didn't see them in the top 3. And I could rattle off 7 or 8 more butters that would really do your beard good. But like I said, I wanted to keep it short, sweet, and to the point. So there you have it. My top 3 beard butters for my gray beard. Let me know down in the comments. Guys, what's your top 2, top 3 beard butters that you use all the time, that your go-tos that just feel amazing in your beard and do a great job like they're supposed to? And don't be scared. Not all you guys are going to like the same thing, and that's okay. But that does it for me. I promised you a quick to the point video. I feel like I've delivered. Make sure you slide over to faithfullybearded.com. Check out all the cool stuff Tyson and I have going on, and maybe some cool stuff that's still coming up, like beardies. Who knows? As always, guys, I love you guys. I thank you guys. I appreciate every one of you. And until I see you again, be awesome to each other.
Thank you for watching this video from Faithfully Bearded. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the thumbs up, click the bell, and turn on all notifications so you're notified of all new content. You can also become a member of the channel and get perks for the tiers that you join. You can share this out with your friends and help the channel grow. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and at faithfullybearded.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.